What to do now?
He's the funny one. Look, he gonna run off. Okay, Stephanie. You're not. If you do it, throw it out some more. Oh my goodness! Stephanie, they're gonna come after me, okay? Stephanie! Oh God! I'm gonna kill you, Stephanie. I'm going to kill you.